Shoo! What's up, mga ka-amazing? Ayan, panibagong araw, panibagong kwento na naman. So, we are on 15th day of Hata Festival.
Back and other.
Pero, nagkaroon ng twists. We just assigned in the other place of this festival. And that's what they called a honey bee festival. Yeah, there, the back. So, ayun, mapapansin nyo. Nga pala kasama na natin ang ating pambansang Camarines. DXB Camarines. Say hi naman siya.
Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Ang boring, no?
So, ayun. So, Honey Bee Festival. Ginagather nila to. I mean, nagkakaroon sila ng mga ganitong festival to celebrate the honey. Meron silang ano rito, meron silang honey bee garden place talaga, which located downside of the mountain. So, ayun. 3 days lang to. So, they started yesterday, 29 till 31. So, tapos na kami dun sa Wadi Hata. And, yeah, Wadi Hata is there. Wait, let me show you. Wadi Hata is there. Then, nasa that. Yeah, Wadi Hata is there at the other side of the mountain. So, dun kami for the past 14 days. And then, for our 15 and 16 days, which the last day for our show, dito kami sa Honeybee Festival. Hindi siya ganun ka-crowded kasi parang more on local community. Well, actually, Hata Honey Bee Festival, they are more on local peoples. Kasi they are advertising and they are promoting their honeybee. Pagawaan kasi ng mga honey, in short. Ayan. So, wala tayong masyadong maikutan, pero puro overlooking, ang gaganda ng mga place. Ayan, see, para ka lang ding nasa Pinas. I mean, if you know the place of Tagaytay and Baguio, it's a similar place, or the other province. Tingnan nyo, para lang nasa Pinas, di ba?
Ayun, may bahay.
Mga bahay.
May taniman.
Taniman, yun. So, yeah. So, we're going to try to explore a bit later on this after our second show. So, yun po. Sana i-follow nyo and subscribe yung aming mga vlogs, and mag-upload pa kami ng marami. As I said, si Ka-Amazing, gusto niya laging amazing and thrill. So, mapapahinga lang kami ng first, and meron na naman kaming events on second day until 14th, at mas maganda yung experience namin doon. So, kung gusto niyo makita yon, don't forget to subscribe, follow, and like. So, paano ba yan? See you tomorrow again. Bye!
Please like, share, and subscribe.